guys wanna play that? It's super, super easy. You only need to know 2 notes. You don't have to be an expert at all. You actually don't even have to know anything about piano. All you gotta do is take your left hand and you're gonna be playing F sharp, which is gonna be, if you don't know what F sharp, that's totally cool. It's just these 3 black notes. It's gonna be the first one. You're gonna be playing that. And then after that, you're gonna be playing B. It's right next to these 3 notes right here. You're gonna be playing that back and forth, and all you're gonna do is play any black key you want. You can do anything. It's all gonna sound good. This is also not only a good party trick, it's also a good way to practice your improv. If you don't have any exercises or anything, you can just practice this. And let me know what you guys come up with. I'd love to hear it, send it my way. Please make sure to share and like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.